I'm Sunny, and today you're coming with me to meet my horseback riding pal, Clover.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, hop out. Get her done. Okay, let's go.
I am brushing off Clover with the curry comb. Ow! It wasn't even winter. They're like, our coats are useless. I got to brush her hair and it was super fun. It's actually called a coat. It was really fluffy. You want to pet Clover?
She's very sweet.
This is the saddle pad. I kind of don't know what it's for. My coach is super nice. Her name is Sarah. I think she's super nice because she lets me do a bunch of things.
You're gonna put a saddle on. There you go. So horses are only gonna kick as like a defense thing, and it's usually at other horses. Trained horses are usually taught like to have respect for humans. Like horses are not aggressive animals. Because they're prey animals, their fear response is to run away before anything else. And I always tell my kiddos that, you know, horses can see almost completely around them except for directly behind them. When we walk behind them, we just touch their butt. So you don't need to be freaked out or afraid of them because they're, you know, not really going to do anything. But that is a common fear that people have. Once you understand, like, the way that their brains work, you start realizing that they're not as scary as well.
No. This is a hackamore. It does not have a bit.
Yep.
Do you know what a bit is? Bit goes in the horse's mouth.
I'm not sure where this
Like this is the bit. It goes in the horse's mouth, and so it's easier to control them. But a hackamore doesn't have a bit. It just goes around their nose. So it doesn't like pull on their mouth. Use reins because that can help you. So you can steer the horse, because if you can't steer the horse, then how could you go anywhere? You have to do a lot of things to make sure you're safe on a horse, like putting your heels down and toes up. It kind of like supports you. I've been doing horseback riding since I was like 5.
Yep, there you go. There you go. That was good.
Oh, I forgot something.
Oh, your helmet.
You have to wear a helmet so whenever you fall off, you don't accidentally hurt your head. I was riding the horse and trying to get her to lope, but instead she accidentally got spooked and she started like running.
Pull back. Your hands off your horse.
When she started going really fast, it scared me, but I had to pull back so she would slow down.
There you go. Good girl. You're okay. You're fine. You did really good. You're keeping a good seat on her. She's just feeling peppy today. There you go. Good girl. That was good.
I was kind of shaken up and it was kind of scary.
There you go. All the way up. There you go. Good job.
I have never fallen off a horse, but my teacher said I will sometimes. But I think, will I though?
Go ahead and pull her bridle off. It's all itchy.
Oh my gosh, I got hair all over my legs.
You got hair all over you. You can tell you rode bareback today.
Other protective things you have to wear is long pants, because some people say it pinches your legs if you wear like shorts. Boots, or closed-toed shoes, because if a horse stepped on your foot, it could hurt really bad.
Brush and do those for the scrubby.
I'm picking her hoofs.
You're hoofing her picks?
Yes.
Her hoof. Oh,
Whoa.
You're okay. She just lost her balance. You're okay. You're doing great, Sunny.
Ow! Ow!
Uh-oh.
You're all right. You okay? You all right?
I was picking the horse's hoof, and then she put her foot down, and then she accidentally stepped on my foot. Ow! Ow!
Uh-oh.
It scared me and hurt a little bit.
That's a little
Can you
scary.
help?
I will help you, yes.
Today was the first time I got stepped on my foot. She stepped on it twice.
Be in a wall. You just gotta stay out of her way. There you go. Okay, yep. You hold her foot and I'll kind of just hold her leg. There.
It's probably like dropping a rock on your toe and then leaving it there for a few seconds. Oh my gosh, look. There's hair shedding all over her.
I'm gonna tell your dad about how we had that big knot.
Ow!
Oh, push her away from you. You can push her over towards the, yeah. She's being naughty.
She stepped on my, like, half of my foot one time, and then she stepped on my toe another time, and it was kind of scary.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. She can sense it. You're okay. You gotta tell her who's boss, right?
Yeah, I'm the boss.
That's right.
She probably weighs like 300 to 500 pounds.
Oh, tiny.
Hi, Pony.
Wanna say hi? Wanna say hi to the pony? Wanna say hi, Clover?
Journey, she had like a bucket of hay. So when I was untacking the horse, she brought it over to the horse, and it was really funny.
Tell her who's boss.
I'm the boss. Today was a great day at horseback riding lessons. I got to hoof pick the horse's hooves and brush her mane and tail, and I even got to lope. You should see what I'm gonna do next. Thanks for coming to my horseback riding lessons with me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!